Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Start Full Screen in Windows 10. Alright, let's begin. First, let's right-click the taskbar. Then, from here, click the Start button. To use Start Full Screen, toggle the Use Start Full Screen button on. If you're looking to customize the Start menu, there are more options here which might interest you. Alright, once I close this window, I will show you what it looks like to use Start Full Screen. Here you'll see App Tiles, where you can open your apps. Alternatively, you can go to All Apps, which will display all apps in a list, and programs that are on your Windows 10 PC. To exit the Start menu, press the Start menu button, or Show Desktop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. While many people have a varying preference, you might prefer using the Start menu full screen, as you have full access to App Tiles, and it's easier to navigate than the former.